Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Pisces from 6th of July to 12th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present, and your immediate future. So let's see what cards I have to show you. Alright, Pisces. So this is your energy this week, the Fool. This is giving me a feeling that there is something new that you want to start. There is something, it is a new path that you want to walk on, and you're very very excited about it, and you are very happy about it, and you are just, you feel that it's a new day for you, and you just have to go and enjoy, and this new journey of yours. So let's see what your other cards have to say. Yeah, so your uh, past cards are Death, King of Wands reversed, and Nine of Pentacles. Well, I think your current energy is like this because something has happened in the past which was quite painful, but the good thing is that it is not there anymore. But the way it got over was quite painful for you. So because of that, I guess had you had lost your confidence. You had lost your maybe you were working somewhere, you had a good power, or you had good position there, but you lost that also. And but still, because you have that personality that you bounce back. So you started planning again, you started thinking, how can I come back, what can I do, how can I make my life better. So those kind of plannings you have been doing in the past. So before moving towards your present, I would request you all to please subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Alright, so if we talk about your present card, it is the Four of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles reversed, and the Four of Pentacles reversed. So because your present energy is Fool card, um so I think what cards are trying to tell you here is that don't think that you are alone right now. There are people who care for you, there are people to guide you, there are people who can talk about their experiences, which can really really help you in taking any decision. So whatever is that new path that you are choosing or you want to go on, I would suggest don't take any impulsive decision on your own. It's better to talk to someone, it's better to take guidance, it's better to take a second opinion whether to go with this or not. Because if you will, I'm getting this feeling that you're feeling that you are all alone and you have to make your own decisions. People whom you trusted are no more there in your life. So don't think like that, because if that will be the feeling, you will not be able to enjoy the success, you will not be able to you know you will feel little insecure no matter what you get or what you have, but you will still feel little insecure about your life. So moving forward, your future cards, Queen of Swords, King of Swords, and the Moon, all three are reversed. Okay, so yeah, so your present is in your hand right now. You really need to make the correct decision, whatever path you are choosing. I would suggest um, don't do it just on your own belief. Take suggestion, talk to people, and take second opinion, because if you choose the right path, then definitely there is going to be a lot of success you're going to work very very hard, and things are going to be very easy for you. Things are going to get clearer. But if you go on the wrong path, the you will be working hard then also, but you will not be getting the results that good. So right now, just wait, talk to people, see all the options you have right now, and then make a move. Yeah, okay. So if you still have any queries, please write in the comment box. For the detailed and the personalized reading, see the description box. Good luck, Pisces.